stick your cap on the wall and put your toothbrush on it. We made a toothbrush holder. Get a clear plastic bottle, then cut the bottom part and remove it. Cut the bottle so you leave a long vertical rectangle. Now cut a circular hole at the bottom. Fold the rectangle around the shelf and secure it using the hole and the top of the bottle. Got a yarn dispenser. Get an empty Pringles can and cut a semicircle at the bottom. Then put some double-sided tape on the can and wrap it with colorful paper, but still leaving the hole. Put in your cotton pads, and now you have a makeup pad dispenser. Get an empty bottle, remove the lid, cut it in half vertically. Use it to store items that don't have a box. For example, makeup pads, pins, and hairbands. Take a fork and a spoon. Bend the spoon backward and bend the fork forwards until you get almost a full circle. Repeat this twice. Now take a normal spoon and glue the forks on the top half of the handle. And glue the spoons on the bottom half of the handle. Put in your thread, and now you have a thread holder. Are you wasting water? To fix it, you just need to stick a bottle of water in there, and you have to save so much more. Stick some lines and dots and flowers and whatever you desire on your clipboard. Now you have an efficient way of cleaning your brushes. After you peel your sticky note, does it get curled? Well, you're peeling it wrong. Start by peeling the sticky note off from the sides. This way it won't get curled. Are your bandages falling off? Cut in the middle of the sticky side. Then, stick it on your finger in an X shape. This will make your bandages stay on. It's very secure. Are you finished eating your chips? Well, start by rolling the bag down. Then place one chopstick on each side and secure it with a rubber band. This will make the chip bag airtight. Is your toothpaste all gone? Put one stick on each side and secure it with a rubber band. Slowly move it down the toothpaste tube until you get toothpaste. This is a way to get the little bit of toothpaste left. Cut colorful pieces of paper to make confetti. Then wrap the core of the toilet paper with fancy paper.